Well, welcome to the coffee shop. Doing a little bit of a introductory. Some of you guys know this one's espresso. Can't quite tell her eyes yet, but they do look like there's a potential for some blue. And this one, I believe is mocha. Let me double check the bum. Yep, mocha. Look at me, starting to recognize them a little bit quicker. The tries are really hard. As you can tell, they're very mobile though. And that really dark one, a little bit smaller, that is macchiato. And then this one's steamer. She got a little Swiss kiss in the back there. Very soft eyes. She's pretty darn chill in comparison to some of the others. But they're just quite the movers, as you can tell here. And then this is Americano. Again, I'm just not quite settled on what color the eyes are going to be yet. Some potential for light blue in there, but not a set in stone. And then Breve and Mocha tie for biggest, and they're both girls. And then she does have the tan points. You can see those little spots on there. Again, pretty darn chill. My not so chill drama queen here is Latte. She is a sharpshooter, gorgeous, but she's not afraid to tell you that she doesn't like what we're doing. If you pick her up, sometimes she just goes into a fit and starts screaming. Of course, you're not going to do it today. You're going to make a liar out of me. Thanks for that. But she is cute. Got all those curls already showing. I'm really happy about that. And then, who else are we missing here? That's Mocha. Where's Cappuccino? That's the one I'm missing. It's Cappuccino. Oh, don't roll. He's got a nice big collar like his daddy. But they're getting around really nice. Almost showing some playfulness. They're all going to get settled here in a second and start calming down. It's about as much action as they get. Look at you. Oh, you getting him, Breve? See that mouth? And that steamer that she's getting. Oh, what are you guys doing? You guys getting stuck? I think macchiato, if you're looking for smaller size, I'm guessing macchiato is going to be the ticket on that guy. He's got that deep red. Again, this one's macchiato. Deep red. Super bright markings. He still has the tan points. But he's my small guy in the litter for sure. Oh, what's she talking about, Steamer? Latte, are you falling asleep back here? Yeah, come show us. Come show us. Oh, espresso, you're falling. She's super pretty. You too, huh, Americano? But I know during this stage we like to get a little bit better idea. Breve is super playful. Oh. Hopefully this helps see some personalities coming out. Of course, who they are in a group of 8 is not necessarily who they're going to be when they're by themselves. Are you falling asleep? You like that, Mocha? Do you like that? Talk it to us, Americano. Talk it to us. Huh? You got your daddy's face. I love it. So pretty. Very cute, though. I'm glad I caught them while they're playful. I feel good, Mocha. Get the happy leg. Oh, jealous. Hey, come over here. Come over here. Come over here. There we go. Get my fluff ball. There's no way I can bulldoze my way through here. Oh, what'd you spot? Huh? What you doing, Steamer? Huh? Oh, hi, Espresso. Can you say hi to us? Can you come say hi? Oh, my heater says it's too cold. It's on a thermostat. I love that. Oh, it just pops on for me. Yeah, it's you. A macchiato. You got such bright white compared to this dark. And look at those curls already showing. Yeah. He just got dunked in the milk bath, so all his toes are white. A sharp looking puppy. You sharp looking puppy. Yeah, you guys are too. Yeah, are you curious about me? All right. Well, hopefully this gives you guys some good ideas. Hope you enjoyed.